really enhancing what I'm going to call the soft skills of our life. They're super important. They impact us in every way, on every layer. They're like always present underneath every situation in our life.
So I'm Sharon and I'm a 7. I'm an enthusiast. I've been coming to this for about 3 years now. Karen is an amazing facilitator. I always get so much out of these sessions, learning about myself, but also finding my clan, to know that there are other people that are like me that I can reflect upon, and also learning about other people in my family so that I can engage with them more effectively.
Hi, I'm Wendy Williams and I just attended Karen Armstrong's Enneagram Workshop. I'm a 4. This is my second workshop. I found it so helpful to not just learn about myself, but how to relate to other people. It's an excellent workshop. I highly recommend it.